Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. It's a continuation series on SAP SD ABAP debugging for techno-functional consultant. Let's get started. Today we are going to discuss about debugging. So basically, for example, I'm trying to create an order now. So I have entered sold to customer, ship to customer here, and I click on enter. You see here. Okay, now I'm getting that error stating that ship to party 35061 not defined for the sales area ADS1 WA Okay, so like this, you might get lot of errors during creation of any transaction or any activity in the system, like during delivery creation, or invoice creation, order creation, or updating anything in that TVRS variable level, anything. So whatever you do, if you come across any kind of errors, see, I'm getting one error here, right? So how to check this error and how to understand which is triggering this error to throw, where it's coming from. To understand that error, what we need to do, we need to double click on this error first thing. Double click here. Okay, so the reason why we need to double click here is that need to understand that application area and message number. Okay, so double click here and click on this tool icon. You see here the application area is VP and message number is 210. That means this message is coming. So this is identification of that messages VP 210. To be more clear, let me tell you one more thing. There is a transaction code called SE91 VP. So message class or application area is VP. Message number is 210. If I click on display, okay. So whatever have seen during creation of an order, that error is coming from here only. Ship to party ampersand not defined for sales area ampersand. Okay. Now how to analyze and understand where this error is coming from? Okay, now what we can do? Apply breakpoint /h and click on enter. Now debug has been switched on. Now click on enter one more time. Enter. Okay, now we want to understand how and where it is coming from, that error, right? So what we can do? Go to the menu breakpoints and breakpoints breakpoints at breakpoints at message. The last option here, you see breakpoints at message. Just click this one and the application area is our ID is VP. The application message number is 210. Click enter. So add application area, IB or application ID, message number as 210, VP 210. So due to because of this reason only, we need to get that error. From that, double click on that error message. Okay. Now just click on OK. If I click on F8, continue. F8. Okay. Now see here, the message is coming from here only. You see that 210 is a message number, VP is the application area, and E is the error. So it's the nature of that message. If it's an error message, means it should be E. If it's an information message, it should be I. If it is a warning message, it should be W. Okay. So here is it is coming from. Why it is coming from? Because the RC code, the variable, if the variable contains value 4, just double click on this variable. You see the it contains 4. So whenever it is 4, then it will throw the error message. So why it is 4? That we should understand here only. There are two programs are there, 74 line number, 75 line number. So in these two programs only, the 4 has been updated into RC code, R code variable. And it is saying that the ship to customer not defined in the specified sales area. If you click on execute, you see the error message. Not only this, so in our project, there were a lot of custom code has been implemented. That means custom, we have several custom messages are there. So this is the easiest way to understand which program or when it will be triggered, where it is coming from, with help of that message number and application area. Thank you guys. We'll continue in the next video.